Number 3 is to lock attributes that are not going to be animated. And this just makes for a nice, healthy rig for your animator. Keeps them sane and happy. And that is when they get a new rig, and the first thing you go do is click on the controls to see what you can have access to. So for instance, this main control lets me rotate. Theoretically it scales. Does it scale? Oh, it scales. Look at that. And this one only rotates in Y. Now normally we would have all these gone. We left these there for you. If I select those, right click and hide selected, now all you can see is that. It makes it a little bit cleaner. But of course you don't want to do that till the very last moment. A little bit of set driven key going on, these little tentacles. And here's a FK constraint going on, only in Z. And this one only translates in Y. And this only translates in Y and Z. You can see that helps the animator get in and doesn't move or animate something that you did not want them to. And they will if you leave it unlocked.